Nagulat kami nang biglang
Tara nga, let's go back to the start. Join us this week as we try and do something special.
una, we're waiting for the Mega Evolution booster box that we ordered online.
Second, we have a schedule para sa PMS ng aming sasakyan na si Shady.
And lastly, itry ang coffee and cake sa isang coffee shop na matagal na namin chinecheck online.
Teka lang, nakalimutan nating i-celebrate yung birthday ni Sasha. Deserve naman siguro niyang lumabas, di ba?
Today is our PMS check para sa sasakyan namin. Ang pangalan ay Shady. Galing sa Game of Thrones, natutunan namin na bigyan ng pangalan ng mga bagay na may value sa amin because it helps you cherish that item. At makikita nyo nga rito na medyo matagal kami naghintay sa Toyota Dasma habang pini-PMS si Shady kasi nag-system downtime sila. Pero okay na rin. Dun sa mga gustong kumuha ng kotse, hindi ibig sabihin na pag nabili mo na yun ha. Meron pa rin gastos regularly. Ang PMS ay parang maintenance service sa sasakyan at since taabutin nga siya ng around 2 hours, kumain muna kami dito sa coffee shop nila. Their coffee and food are okay. It's passable pero nothing to call home about. Nagsaserve din sila ng sweets, so we got some cookies. Tapos kumuha rin kami ng almond pastry nila, which was actually really good considering na ininit lang nila doon. Okay, so wag tayong masyadong judgmental dyan. Yes, mukhang matigas yung pastry, pero masarap siya, promise. Around this time, we still had around 1.5 hours left to wait. So ano pa nga ba't naglaro muna kami ng Pokemon. Naghahabol ako ngayon at lalabas na ang bagong Pokemon ZA. So nilalaro ko muna yung Scarlet and Violet. And PMS is done. Now, sigurado na kaming safe i-drive si Shady kahit saan kami magpunta. Next up, mag-grocery tayo. For the younger people, I know parang napaka-lame ng pag-grocery, pero as you grow old, doing grocery is actually very therapeutic. Siguro dahil na rin as you grow old, marirealize mo na hindi lahat ng bagay kaya mong kontrolin. Pero pagdating sa grocery, if you plan it right, ang gastos mo at kakainin mo, at least for a little bit of time in the week, you feel like you've got control back. Hindi ko sinasabing ang sarap-sarap gumastos ha. Ang sinasabi ko lang, minsan kasi mas masarap din yung napaplano mo kung ano yung mangyayari ahead of time. At opo, totoo po ang chismis. Mahal pa rin po ang bilihin sa Pilipinas. Tingnan nyo nga itong sibuyas, 230 pa rin. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Before kami umuwi, bumili muna kami nitong mini buko pies and believe me, ang sarap nito, hindi siya ganun katamis. Ang lakas makatito nung hindi masyadong matamis. Habang inaayos namin tong grocery pa uwi, Naisip namin, bakit kaya hindi namin ituloy yung Pokemon agenda na naiwan namin from last week? Tinatry namin kumpletuhin yung 151 first generation Pokemon trading cards. And right now, meron pa kaming around 10 missing. May malapit na store sa amin na ang pangalan ay Mage Ring. Tatry namin puntahan yon at tingnan na rin kung yung mga missing cards namin ay makikita namin. Grabe, hanggang dito sa Dasma, kahit probinsya kami, inaabutan na rin kami ng traffic. And welcome to Mage Ring! Mahirap siyang hanapin kasi nasa loob siya ng isang parang eskinita. Pero pagpasok mo dun sa loob, actually malaki siya. Tapos, marami ring mga players na nandun, naglalaro sila ng mga trading card games at marami ring mga booster sets na makikita. After the long search, may nakita kaming isang card na wala kami. Ito si Mew, oh. Napakailap niyan. Pero at least kahit papano, meron kaming isang card na nagdagdag sa 151 set namin. We ended the day by going to the gym. We're not getting any younger, so we have to make sure that we stay healthy. Pauwi na kami nung na-realize namin na hindi pa pala kami nagkakape the whole day. So naisip namin pumunta muna kami sa Seattle's Best at mag-coffee ng saglit. We went there at around 4:30 a.m. Yes po, mga night owl po kami dahil sa nature of work namin. Pagdating nga namin doon halos walang tao parang may dalawang grupo lang ng customer na kasama namin. Which is okay kasi mas mabilis namin makukuha yung order namin. Then we sat and chilled for a bit, shared some stories before we called it a day.
Medyo mahaba yung unboxing video, so ifa-fast forward ko na lang dun sa mga hits na nakuha namin.
Mega Man Electric. Hindi, mas mahal yung... Masyado.
We got 4 hits for half of the box, which is actually a pretty good grade.
Nabalitaan namin na may isang magandang food spot sa Kawit, Cavite. It's about an hour drive away from our place. Ang sabi ng mga tao, masarap daw yung pagkain, so we wanted to give it a shot. Also, coincidentally, may nagbebenta rin ng Pokemon cards. So bakit hindi? We went there at around 5 p.m. at napakasarap mag-drive habang pinapanood mong lumuluwag ng dahan-dahan ng araw.
Nakakatuwa yung setup niya. Ang daming mga tents na nagbebenta ng iba't ibang klaseng pagkain. And everywhere you turn, kung ano-anong masasarap ang makikita mo, including really good-looking cups of coffee. We got some coffee from Cofebrero and also grabbed food here and there. May lechon kawali, merong empanada, at meron ding mga chicken wings. Ikaw ba naman ang hindi gaganahang kumain habang ganyan ang view mo? We also met this new friend. Wala siyang pangalan pero tawagin lang natin siyang Whitey. Napaka-original. After eating, we walked around and nagulat kami kasi meron pa palang isang bungkus ng iba pang mga tents sa kabila. Meron silang mga photo booth, merong karting, at meron pang iba't ibang mga pagkain binibenta. Sobrang dami ng tao. Then, we also got to meet this very friendly sugar glider. His name is Carmelo. Then, it's time we headed home. We stayed here for about 2 hours at naisip namin, sina Shelly, Summer, and Sasha ay wala palang kasama sa bahay. So, kailangan na namin umuwi. It's a shame because we could have brought them here. Napaka-pet-friendly ng place. And that is the end of our video this week. We hope we were able to share a little bit of happiness. Remember to always give yourselves a break during the weekend. See you next week!